you want to learn crochet. You may have questions like, where do I begin? What materials do I need? Can you please explain yarn? Let's start with hooks. Yarn hooks have 8 common sizes. The US system uses letters. The metric system uses millimeters. Here is a chart showing yarn hook sizes. The hooks grow larger in ascending order. Yarns also grow in thickness in ascending order. The larger the yarn, the larger the hook used. Your pattern will tell you what size to use. Yarn labels have a wealth of information. This label tells you the color and the dye lot number. Be sure to match your dye lot numbers when purchasing yarn. This part of the label tells you the yarn size and the corresponding hook size. Size 4 yarn with a 5mm hook is a good start for a beginner. Anyone can learn to crochet. It is a pastime enjoyed around the world using basic tools.